Hello everybody, we are here to demonstrate how you can use the registry system to disconnect USB ports. Okay, now to start everything, we need to insert pen drive into the port to notify whether the ports are all working. Okay, now I insert the pen drive into the port. Now let me check whether the pen drive is showing or not. Okay, now you can see the pen drive is showing here, it has been opened. Okay, yeah, this is the pen drive, it is showing now. So now I can see the ports are all active, they are all working. Now we are coming to use the registry system to disconnect the port. So after this, you will no longer see the pen drive showing over there. We start by going to the start button, then I type regedit, regedit, and enter. Then I click yes. Okay. Now what we need here is the H key local machine. So I will expand the H key local machine. So what the next place to go is the system. I'll also expand the system. So from the system we go to the current control set. Expand. Now we go to services. And I expand the services. Now what we need here is USB store in capital letters. So let me search for the USB store in capital letters. USB store in capital letters. Okay, now here it is. From here we find and type start here in this space. START. Enter. Okay, now you can see the start is showing over here. So what we need to do now is to open that. Okay, now you can see 3 written in that box, meaning the ports are all working. So the default is the 3. Now to enable the port, all we need to do now is to clear the 3 and type 4. And after that we restart the machine. Okay, now you see the 4 there. So let's restart the machine. Now we are restarting.